Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I first saw it on It's Clarice YouTube channel, and yesterday I saw it on One Busy Mama YouTube channel. 5 minutes. I set my timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to press start and I am going to do the makeup. When this buzzer goes off, we're done. Whatever I have done is done. So the only thing I have on my face is my moisturizer. I did not put primer and I'm not going to use primer because I need my primer to get dried first before I do my foundation or my powder foundations. Now the 5-minute makeup challenge is starting right now. I press start and it is counting me down. Holy Jesus. Where is my brush? Okay, I'm using Fenty foundation powder. The pressure is on. What can we do in 5 minutes? Let's see. Oh my good Lord. Watching the timer makes you go crazy, right? Okay, I think I spent way too much time doing other things. Ah, blush. I'm doing my blush now. When you're not timing yourself, you don't realize that it goes by so fast, but it is going by fast. Okay, blush. Now, brows. I need magnifying mirror for brows. This is brows. I'm doing bottom liner. Checking my time. Okay, I have 2 minutes 50 seconds. Lip liner. I have 2 minutes, people. 2 minutes. Okay, I'm using the Cara Beauty for my for my eyeshadow. You know what I mean, eyeshadow. I'm down to 1:40 something. I need to hurry. Now I need I need magnifying again to do my top liner. Time, what time it is? Oh, 50 something seconds. Oh, 42 seconds. 35 seconds. I can do this. 32 seconds. I can do this. 25 seconds. 16 seconds. I can do this. I am done. Done. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. 5 minutes is up. You hear it? And I'm on all complete. Okay. Okay. Stop. Now, this is so interesting. So interested. When you are not timing yourself, it seems like you have everything under the sun. But the minute you time yourself, it's like go. So this is my makeup of the day, 5-minute time makeup. I put brows. What's that? I use Fenty Pro Filter 420 foundation powder. I use Florrie Roberts Papaya blush. It is called Papaya Punch Blush. I use the Milk Crush mascara. Oops. I use Black Radiance brown lipstick. I use Wet n Wild brow and lip liner, and then I use LA Girl for my waterline and my top lash liner. And for my eyeshadow, I use Cara Beauty, which is this one right here. So that was my 5-minute makeup challenge. Again, let's see how I did. Now I challenge Gege Gates. I challenge you for this 5 minutes. This is fun. Cherry Amore, I challenge you for this 5 minutes. Ruby Beautiful Natural Makeup, I challenge you for this 5-minute makeup. Age Graceful, I challenge you for this 5-minute makeup. Monique's Makeup, I challenge you this 5-minute makeup. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my videos. I appreciate you very much. All around the world, wherever you are, I appreciate you for watching. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will see you in another video. This challenge was fun. I loved it. Bye. Bye.